Withered Daffodils by Ibn Amir. Beneath the serene and tranquil pace, nature conceals a savage, deadly face, where life devours and death entwines, a merciless realm where beauty offends, and every bloom hides a poisonous spine. With words of silk, the poets deceive, weaving a tapestry of lies we perceive, a tranquil nature, tame and kind, a fantasy crafted to soothe the mind. But I shall rip the veil and truth reveal, for in nature's heart a darkness conceal. The moon, a distant boulder in space, charred with sun's cold-hearted rays, not a silver glow as the poet says. Birds, feathered fiends with bloody beak, tearing prey, no gentle sweet shriek. The poets vaunt the sun's radiant beam, a golden crown, a wondrous dream. But I see fire, a blazing sphere, a merciless furnace, scorching here, no gentle warmth, but burning might, a molten core that ravages the night. Look at the sea, its treacherous tide, no calm beauty, but a deadly stride, drowning depths that swallow whole, unmerciful to the struggling soul. It claims its victims with no remorse, a merciless abyss where death is force. Enter the forest where shadows reign, no idyllic glade, but blood-stained domain, where predators stalk with eyes aglow, in darkness deep, where rot and decay grow. The trees loom tall like skeletal hands, a haunted realm where death commands. Think music's beauty, harmony divine, but nature's symphony, a different design. The rooster's morning call, a daily pride, but dusk descends, and with it, his demise. The day begins with his triumphant sound, and ends with silence, his lifeless mound. Think humans kind, with friendly ways, but hidden truths, behind their smiling days. We wear our masks, a mirrored guise, reflecting kindness, hiding cruel surprise. Their eyes, a facade, a cunning guile, a murderous intent in a gentle smile. Behind each smile a knife is drawn, waiting to strike when trust is born. For a coin's shine, they'll sell their soul and sacrifice others to make themselves whole. Their hearts, a marketplace where love's a lie, and every bond is bought and soon will die. Poems deceive with verse so fine, a masked reality, a clever design. Words weave illusions, a fabricated dream, a poet's trickery to manipulate and scheme. I too once crafted verses sweet and bright, but hardship's grip revealed truth's harsh light. I didn't wish to write these words of pain, but circumstance compelled to warn you in vain. I've shown you darkness and the abyss within. Perhaps too stark, my words have cut too thin. Fear not, dear reader, for I've done my part. Now seek solace in my brethren's joyful art. Read their sweet lies and let your heart delight in poems that sing of rainbows and unicorns tonight. By Ibn Amir. Don't forget to share your opinions in the comments below. Also, help my channel grow by clicking the subscribe button and then leaving a like. Thank you for watching.